Hi people, John Richardson here. Going to take a few moments of your time and show you a 267 bunkhouse, relatively inexpensive, with a slide out Jayco product. We call this a Baja edition. I'm going to show you why. So this is what I refer to as a stick and tin, keeps the costs down on it, built very, very well. You've seen these trailers forever. Aluminum on the outside, wood studs, built just like a house, 16 inches on center with blanket insulation tucked in between the studs. Guess why they build your house out of wood? Because the wood does not conduct hot and cold into it. So we've got an electric jack on the front. We got two propane tanks, two 7.5s. You buy a trailer, we're going to fill them up. We're going to give you two batteries. So what I want to point out here is we've got storage underneath the front end, which is where your bed is. We have an electric awning with speakers inside the awning. Baja edition means you're going to have the bigger wheels and tires. You'll notice this thing sits up higher off the ground. For you guys that want to take these things off-road, get away from the RV campsites, this will accommodate you very, very well. The other things I'll talk about on the Jayco product, these guys have been around since 1968. This is not a new company. They've got all the bugs worked out, and to prove that, they give you a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. I don't have another product that carries 2-year warranty except for the Jayco. Little things like a folding grab handle. Back when I had to have a hip replaced, these were a lifesaver. I could pull myself up into them. So let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So we got a walk around queen bed in here that we can close these two doors behind the bed here and shut it completely off. Got storage underneath it. We got cabinets on both sides. We got electrical outlets on both sides. We've got the little shelves here where we can set our book down before we go to bed, before we close our eyes for the final time. LED lighting in here. Just a very, very nice, well-built trailer. Like I said, since '68. Thing's been built almost as long as I've been around. So, got a TV, we've got cabinets above and below, along with an AM/FM CD player, which you can play stereo inside or outside. You got the electric awning. You got very nice counter space in this, along with a pull-out faucet. All your monitor panels are located here. You've got electric slide-out room. You got the electric awning. You got cabinets up above. You got cabinets and drawers down below. So we've got just very, very adequate. One of the other things I'll tell you is it has a 3-burner stove. It's got an oven, microwave, cabinets, Norcold refrigerator, recessed freezer. Both doors, you'll see this is the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. In the slide out, we've got a booth to sit and entertain ourselves, play some board games. We've got a couch that'll make up into a bed. And one of the other things, everybody's got a trailer for sale, but what they don't have is a very nice service department. They don't have a nice covered walk-through area. You buy a trailer from Guaranty, you're going to get a complete walkthrough. The technicians are professionals. They're going to show you how everything works, how you're going to make it work. They're going to tell you about the free roof inspections, how we've got 6 and 7 day service ability if you do have a challenge. We've got 49, I believe, service bays, complete with an RV parts store, a restaurant, a RV park. There's really no reason. That's why I've been here for almost 29 years. Guaranty's got it all. Privately owned, family owned business. There's no reason to shop anywhere else. I've got over 400 trailers. I've got over 1,000 units on the 55 acres here. So now we got another big cabinet here. So you've got adjustable shelves, or you can take them out if you got something so big that it won't fit between these 1-foot shelves. Cabinet up above it. Storage underneath your bunk bed. Check this out. You can get to it from outside, you can get to it from inside. Nice big storage area. One of the things I'll tell you about trailers, you can't have too much storage. So big bed here, another big bed here, that'll hold 300 pounds. Bathroom with the sink right outside the bathroom. Look how bright that bathroom is. You got the throne in there, you got a bathtub, you got the skylight. Notice the shelving in the side there for your shampoos and your soaps in there. Any further questions? Please don't even hesitate. John Richardson, Guaranty RV. Everybody calls me JR or the Harley guy. So, come see us or give me a holler down at the number below. I'll answer any questions. Love to meet you. Thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch the video.